Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How to advance to of Google lead generation ads. How to advance of Google lead generation ad and Google Ads lead and Google Ads. Advertise on Google leads generation ads. In business world, every business owner knows that importance of implements a good lead generation strategy. It allows them to caption the attention of high quality process that have and potential becomes customer it belows not easy generate high quality leads that most challenge is for and lead generation to markets is generating high quality leads. How to advance of Google leads generation ads. There are many ways to lead generation, but one of the most effective method in using Google Ads. Most effective method is using Google Ads. Google Ads is a powerful tool that allows business to reach out and potential customers through online advertising. On the find out why Google lead generation ads is an effective lead generate tools, however, can use it is the generate leads for your business. Control your Google ad cost, make Google ad smart, simple and more products. What are the lead generation ads? Google lead generation ad are type of online advertising that allows business to collect leads direct from Google. When someone click on a lead generation ads, they are taken to land from the smart population with their contact information. Then lead from site submit direct from business. Make it quick and easy from business to collect leads. A wide range of industry can benefit from the extension including real estate, automobiles, education, finance, B2B lead generation, travels, hospital and many more and others. Google Ads lead generation from including providing event registration, newsletter, subscription, white paper and webinars and the B2B lead generation service. And agency that provide written inquiry provide instinct support and against required. An auto campaign obtain question test divert interest from ad newslet in sign up. An instant that obtain new subscription branding outside land these studies programs. Why do campaign use Google lead from extension? To understanding Google lead generation ads better, let use explain and complain use than extension. Meeting consumer when they are in one of the main challenger of acquiring sleep. The practice of mobile user on the web has remaining at approximately 26%, 56% for many years. The laptop are also less commonly used to edge in the internet or social media, social network. are currently accessed through mobile device by 90% mobile internet user. The traditional lead generation process requires people in full out multi-field forms of landing page before providing the content information. University is that because of it the OS bring an object there are converting process also financial cost and good bring easy your hope and see success in with method. Landing page that taken a long time to load are the real cost and advertising asset and from these forums the declines in conversion rates by 5.24% and increase about by 32%. Social medias Facebook, LinkedIn and Google have been releasing a new lead generation solution advance and address these issues. Users are able to fill out the Google Ad lead generation from fast and more easily because infected find that they are contain information. There is technical investment request on the company's end as Google Ads land and lead generation more and high performance and option mobile navigation. Business can easily customer Google lead generation from a meet-time marketing goal. As a new lead sign up on Google lead generation from, they can be in targeting with your others marketing tools, search and CRM and email software. Since they base views, search pattern and Google Ads lead from extension relevant to the views. Google lead from extension work. Google lead generation add always you add lead from extension to campaign, display, search, video and discovery campaign can all including lead from extension. Visitors in your audience insight with it the connecting the lead from extension on Google perfect like YouTube. People can add email address, phone number and other content information while they open the lead form. Google Ads always you down and the manage and your leads. You can leads in CSVS file, create and work from integration, receive leads, direct customer relationship management CRM system. You can only lead submission and the 30 days you can show automatically 60 days with your lead from that and CRM using Google Ads API. Google Ads great from lead generation. We will note about your company's Google lead generation ads. A business owner main goal to increase sales and generate leads. Direct response campaign recognize customers to take specific action, search buying products and sign up, receive newsletter, creating this campaign in Google Ads. Should follow some better perfect campaign the generate traffic leads also traffic generate campaign. Grow your Google ad conversion. Motivate customer the campaign purchase. Growth connect details throws and sign up page generate lead. The direct information through your website and including traffic. You can choose have an any appear search site others than Google. With Google Ads and additional generate leads, their sites can deliver additional high quality traffic to your business. So search part for displays ad and next search result. The above decide extension improve of Google Ads and Google Ad Lead extension from more how to set your Google lead generation and ads campaign. Click here. How to take in conversion from Google Ads lead from extension. Conversion and important the Google lead generation ads. Its is benefit and track result unlimited business sold start to generate sales and ready to leads. PPC reporting template provide the business with all data means in returns at a full funnel studies in necessary development tracking and new approach. Following some benefits and conversion others on website. Analyze to how busy it increase with your site marketing information discuss about website update and change. Identify that make change can be user generated, analyze search engine result, SEO, and product cost and education. You can track and PPC campaign speed and more budget and effective. You can also from budget from global conversion the tracking important. There are several factors and after campaign. The location targeted discover targeted keyword performance and those an important track and campaign PPC. There are many tools available on PPC signage. Grow your Google Ads conversion records and work. What is the lead generation? What is the lead generation campaign in Google Ads? What is the lead generation campaign in Google Ads? How Google lead generation ad targeting advertising campaign that it decide get portal customer and information usually including contract like an email address, phone number, lead generation, convert traffic, use pop-ups and etc. Call to action. Google Ads. How to advertise on Google lead generation ads. Presentation my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Best of luck.